Welcome to all my dear Bhaiya Bahan. Again, you are most welcome today. Today, we are going to start another poem. Before starting the poem, we should discuss on some matters. First thing I would like to ask you, what do you want to be in your life? You want to live peacefully or in tension? Very good, peacefully. Do you have any peace in your life? Okay, you have no peace in your life. Why we have no peace in our life? Very good. We have no peace in our life because we are running here and there in search of money, in search of material things, so that we have no peace. We have no rest in our mind. My dear, can you say which poem we are going to read today? Yes, very good. The poem is Keeping Quiet. This poem has been composed by Pablo Neruda. You see about Pablo Neruda at first. Who was Pablo Neruda? What was his actual name? What was his pen name? Where he was born? I would like to express such thing before starting the poem about the poet. When Pablo Neruda was born, his name was Ricardo Eliezer Neftali Reyes Basalto. He was born on 12 July 1904 at Parral, Mall region, Chile. And he died on 23 September 1973 at Santiago, Chile. When he died, his age was 69 years. His occupation was, he was a poet, diplomat, and senator. He could speak 3 languages: Spanish, English, and French. He is Chilean. His nationality is Chilean. In his life, he got so many awards like International Peace Prize in 1950, Lenin Peace Prize in 1953, Nobel Prize in Literature in 1971. Unfortunately, in 1973, Neruda was hospitalized with cancer and he died on 23rd September 1973 because he was suffering from cancer. In his life, he did 3 marriages. He had 3 wives, as you see here in his biography. His first wife's name was Marjek Antonieta Haganah Vogeljang. Second wife was Delia del Carril, and third wife was Matilde Ursia Sereda. He had two children, Malva Marina and Trinidad Reyes. My dear, Pablo Neruda's pen name was Pablo Neruda. His full name, as I told you, Ricardo Eliezer Neftali Reyes Basalto. And his pen name was Pablo Neruda. He wrote all his poetry by the name of Pablo Neruda. Neruda's poems are full of easily understood images which make them no less beautiful. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. In this poem, Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. Poem निकालो. Now, it was about Pablo Neruda. Now we are going to know the summary of this poem today. See the summary of the poem. What does the poet want to say through this poem? As you see, the title of the poem, Keeping Quiet, means if our habit is to keep quiet, we have no problem. If we want to save ourselves from any troubles of life, then we shall have no any problem. The title is telling everything. Keeping quiet means in our life we have to keep quiet. Otherwise, at every step we have to be in trouble. So if you want to replace your trouble, if you want to remove your trouble, keep your finger on your lips. Then there is no problem. Now, listen the summary of this poem. Keeping Quiet is a peace poem written by the Chilean poet Pablo Neruda. The poet asks humanity to count numbers from 1 to 12. 12 being the number of hours shown in a clock or the number of zodiac signs. He requests everyone not to speak because languages create barriers between people. The moment when everyone stops moving their body will be very special and different, as we have never experienced such a moment before. The poet says that in this period of inactivity, the fishermen would not harm the whales. The salt gatherers will not hurt their hands. Those who are busy destroying the natural things will adopt a new approach towards life. The men who are preparing for wars and victory based on deaths of innocent people will join their enemy and stand in unity with them, doing nothing. No one will harm himself or any other person. Everyone will unite and ponder upon his acts and realize the results of his deeds. The poet clarifies his idea and says further that he does not want the people should stand idle. He wants that there should be no war because he does not want to see trucks laden with dead bodies of the soldiers. He is promoting universal brotherhood and peace. The poet says that everyone is working continuously to achieve one's goals. People are threatened by death, and the fear forces them to work endlessly so that they can achieve everything quickly. In this mad rush, they do not realize the repercussions of their acts, the results of their acts. He wants us to pause and come out of the mad rush. He wants us to be happy about our achievements and celebrate them. He wants us to overcome the fear of death and to relax for a while. We should know the results of our deeds and celebrate our achievements. When the people will remain quiet for a while, they will realize the purpose of their lives. Just like all the creations of nature undergo a rebirth with the change of seasons, similarly, keeping quiet will be a rebirth for the human soul. It will give a new meaning to our life. Again, at last the poet says that he will count till 12 and asks everyone to remain quiet while he lives. Introduction of this poem. The poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda, discusses the need of maintaining peace and silence. He stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human beings, animals, and environment. He suggests that in order to maintain peace and harmony, it is required to stop and introspect ourselves. The poem is written in free verse. It does not follow any rhyme scheme. So, my dear, today we have got idea about Pablo Neruda and the summary of the poem Keeping Quiet. Next day we shall start its stanzas and then we shall get those ideas of Pablo Neruda which he presents in this poem. So, for today, thank you. Have a nice day.